everyone! This first slide is my key image. I chose the contemporary artist Carol Dunham. This specific image I chose is Open Self-Model, Single Green Female. This digital art was done around 2022 through 2023. Here, Dunham puts the focus on the subject, portraying her in a ghastly green color. The subject is also a female, just to take note on that. Dunham also uses the use of abstraction and bright, vibrant colors in this piece. This is the first supporting picture. It is painted by Edward Manet in 1863. It is called Olympia. This painting shook things up by breaking away from the traditional female nudes of that time. During Manet's time, ideal, polished beauty was the only form of art accepted by higher class like the Paris Salon. Olympia is modern and assertive. You can see how the nude is put in a contemporary modern position, but in a classical setting. Also, her gaze gives off an assertive, seductive look, which stirred up criticism and rejection. Like Carol's work, it challenges how we see things and brings things like contemporary life as shown in her pose. This is the second supporting image, The Tub by Edgar Degas, painted in 1866, which is quite close in date range to Manet's Olympia, which, as I said in the last slide, was painted in 1863. This shows the transition from realism to impressionism, although there were movements between those two. You can see here that the colors are softer and the lines are more blurred, while in Olympia, the colors are bold and the paint palette is darker. This piece shows a very intimate, everyday scene with the natural and an idealized form. Note, this was after realism, so it still has some of the realism qualities. Carol's work also dives into the themes of self-perception and introspection, as they really focus on personal, private moments. Their style are a bit different, when Degas being more naturalistic and Carol being more abstract. This is the final supporting painting I chose. Picasso's Les Demoiselles d'Avignon, painted in 1907. Notice the time has switched from 18s to 19s, so more modernism and contemporary detail can be seen. This painting is also all about breaking boundaries with its deformed geometrical shapes. It also marks the beginning of the Cubism movement. This piece challenges two traditional idealistic beauty standards featuring deformity and what some would classify as ugliness or uniqueness. Carol's work similarly uses abstract forms to explore the female identity and stretched boundaries of art. To wrap up, Manet changed tradition, Degas captured intimate moments, and Picasso surpassed boundaries. Carol's open self-model, let me return back to that. Carol's open self-model fits right into this context by focusing on the female form, as shown here, identity, the female, and perception. We are able to understand contemporary art through these historic pieces and see how the exploration of identity continues in art today. Thank you for listening.